What is cracking, Sushiros, you guys? I am back for another video.
Hey everyone, it's JoJo. Welcome back to JoJo's every single Wednesday. It's your guys' good stuff. Oh my god.
I am gonna go ham like never before. I'm telling you this right now. If you do not like heavy breathing, smacking, moaning, just getting wild for food. If you don't like if you don't like people wild for food, then what are you doing with your life? And get the hell out of here.
Okay.
They get the golden ticket.
Steven, what are you doing? This
My
is a new ass outfit. I don't give a damn about against your freaking will for a damn chicken sandwich.
You guys have a success story on a dating app? Please leave your story down below. I like to find some earthquake. Oh my God. Look at that.
Oh my god! Wow!
What? All of the neighbors are out right now. My glass, the clock fell.
You better stop! Stop!
What?
My name is.
Who?
My name is.
Steven, too.
I'm having some so.